Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can view all of your sheets in the Google Sheets app on your phone. So even the hidden tabs. So what you need to do is, let's say, open your spreadsheet, one of them. So for example, let's open up this one right here. Sorry, not that one. What we have here, for example, let's say, okay, this one. So yeah, what you need to do is just simply in the bottom left corner of the screen, you will see some horizontal lines really at the bottom left. So click on it, and just like that, it will pop up here icon menu, basically tabs menu, list icons, list naming, and yeah, here you will see every tab in your workbook just like that. So if you have more of them, right here you can see that I see just 3. So if you have more of them, you will see everything right over here. So yeah, this is pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.